In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gemini AI to edit your photos for incredible results. Whether you're looking to enhance your selfies or add a creative touch to landscapes, this tool can be your go-to assistant for all your photo editing needs. Let's dive right in and transform your photos using Gemini AI. First, head over to Google. If you're on your computer or mobile device, open your web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. This might seem like a simple step, but it's the fundamental gateway to accessing Gemini's powerful photo editing features. Once you're on the Google homepage, type in Google Gemini into the search bar. You'll notice a series of suggested searches appearing as you type, likely including the Gemini website. It's important to look for the official Google Gemini website in your search results to ensure you're accessing the right platform. Now, click on the Google Gemini website from the search results. This will direct you to the home page of Gemini where you'll perform the actual photo editing process. On the Gemini homepage, you'll find a plus sign button typically used for uploading photos. Click on this button. It's where you'll upload the photo you wish to edit. Make sure your file is prepared and located on your device for easy access. With your photo now uploaded, you'll want to enter specific prompts for the editing process. This step involves providing the AI with instructions or guidance on how you'd like the photo to be altered. Take your time to think about what adjustments or enhancements you want to apply. Clarity and specificity will yield better results. Next, navigate to the Tools section. You'll find a Tools button, which, when clicked, unlocks a suite of editing options available on Gemini. This is where the magic begins, offering you a range of tools to incorporate artistic flair and technical adjustments to your photo. After exploring the tools, click on the Create Images option. This option is typically used to apply the changes and generate your newly edited image. Gemini AI will process your inputs and use its advanced algorithms to transform your photo based on the prompts and tools you've selected. With your image now created, you'll need to submit it. Click on the Submit button to finalize the process. This step is crucial as it confirms your edit actions and allows Gemini to save your work. Finally, after all these steps, take a moment to admire your handiwork. Congratulations! Your photo should now reflect the changes you envisioned, with a fresh and enhanced look thanks to Gemini AI. You've learned how to navigate this powerful tool and use it to elevate the quality of your photography. Enjoy your stunning new images,